it's Brooke with WTI. If you want a genuine leather backpack, well, we have been thrilled with this one. And this leather laptop backpack by STAR VISTA Angelo is very impressive and convenient for long trails because of the comfort. I also appreciate this padding in between the laptops. I can store my 17.3-inch laptop along with multiple devices because of incredible storage and also because it has a strong foam layer protection. I appreciate how easy it is to zip things up because of the YKK zippers that are so easy to open and close. Has a compartment to have hidden cash, a trolley sleeve, and as far as organization is concerned, it keeps things really nice and organized, so it's fun for a business traveling trip or even just for some recreation. The inside of the backpack is really durable, along with the outside. It is 1.8 millimeter full grain cowhide leather. And even the comfort of wearing this for a long time is nice. It's reinforced with stitching and rivets, and it also has a breathable back with a cellular net and shock-proof materials. So this is really an ideal backpack for me, anyone in my family, my husband. It's pretty universal. I love how it feels, and I love how they designed it. I also appreciate that my husband enjoys using it. This is great with the keychain that it came with and a bag for storage and a thank you note, which just makes me feel really great about this product. So if you need a leather backpack that will last for a long time for many different reasons, for fun or travel, I highly recommend this one. We love this, and that is just our point of view.